Hello guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to Learn English Zone. Today, we have a very special story for you. The Secret Letter. It's a simple and easy story, perfect for beginners who want to practice English listening and reading. Relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the adventure with Emma and Liam as they discover a hidden mystery in their town. Chapter 1. The Old Box. It was a quiet afternoon in the small town of Greenhill. The sun was warm, and the streets were calm. A girl named Emma sat in her grandmother's attic, looking through old boxes. Dust filled the air, and the wooden floor made small noises when she walked. Emma was 15 years old. She loved reading stories, drawing pictures, and dreaming about adventures. But she never thought her own life would become an adventure. In the corner of the attic, she found a wooden box. It was small, dark, and heavy. The box looked very old, and there was a lock on it. But the lock was broken. Emma slowly opened it. Inside, she found a pile of old letters tied with a red ribbon. Her heart beat fast. She picked up the first letter. The paper was yellow and soft. The handwriting was elegant and beautiful. On the envelope it said, "To the one who finds this, read carefully. This letter holds a secret." Emma's hands shook. She whispered to herself, "A secret? What kind of secret?" She opened the letter and began to read. Chapter 2. The Secret Letter. The letter said, "Long ago, in Greenhill, something valuable was hidden. It is not money, it is not gold. It is something that can change lives. If you follow the clues, you will find it. But be careful. The journey is not easy." Emma's eyes widened. She could not believe it. It was like the beginning of a mystery book. She read more. "The first clue is under the old oak tree in the town park. Look where the roots meet the earth." Emma gasped. She knew that tree. It was the biggest tree in Greenhill Park. She thought for a moment. Should she tell her grandmother? Should she tell anyone? But inside, her adventurous heart said, "No, this is my mystery. I have to find out myself." She put the letter in her pocket, closed the box, and went downstairs. Chapter 3. A Friend Joins. The next morning, Emma went to school. She wanted to keep the secret, but she couldn't stop thinking about the letter. At lunch, she sat with her best friend Liam. He was smart, funny, and always ready for adventure. Emma whispered, "Liam, I found something strange yesterday." Liam raised his eyebrows. "Strange? Like what?" Emma told him everything about the box, the letter, and the oak tree. Liam's mouth opened wide. "Are you serious? This sounds like a treasure hunt." Emma nodded. "Yes, but it says it's not gold or money. It's something else." Liam grinned. "Then we must find it. Emma, this is our adventure." Emma smiled. Deep down, she was glad she wasn't alone anymore. Bah. Chapter 4. The First Clue. That afternoon, after school, Emma and Liam went to the park. The old oak tree stood tall and proud. Its branches spread wide, and its roots looked like giant fingers digging into the ground. They searched around the roots. At first, they saw nothing but dirt and leaves. Then Liam shouted, "Emma, look here!" He pointed to a small metal box stuck between the roots. Together, they pulled it out. Inside the box was another letter. It said, "Good, you found the first clue. The second clue is where books sleep, but stories stay awake." Emma's eyes sparkled. "That must mean the library." Liam nodded excitedly. "Yes, the town library." They carefully put the letter in Emma's bag. The adventure was only beginning. Chapter 5. The Library Mystery. The next day, Emma and Liam went to the town library. It was a tall, quiet building with many windows. Inside, the smell of old books filled the air. They searched the shelves, looking for something unusual. Hours passed, but they found nothing. Emma felt tired and disappointed. Then Liam whispered, "Emma, look, this book looks different." It was a very old book with no title on the cover. Liam opened it, and inside there was no story, only a piece of folded paper. The paper said, "The third clue is where water flows and wishes are made." Emma smiled. That must be the fountain in the town square. Chapter 6. The Fountain Wish. The town square was busy. People were shopping, walking, and talking. In the middle stood a stone fountain with clear water. Children threw coins inside and made wishes. Emma and Liam walked around the fountain, searching carefully. Then Emma saw something shiny under a loose stone near the edge. They lifted the stone and found a small glass bottle. Inside the bottle was another letter. It read, "You are close. The next clue is where time stands still and history speaks." Liam thought for a moment. Time stands still. History speaks. "Emma, that must mean the old clock tower." Emma nodded. "Yes, let's go." Chapter 7. The Clock Tower. The old clock tower was tall and silent. Its bell rang only once every hour. Many people passed by, but few ever went inside. Emma and Liam pushed the heavy wooden door. Inside, it was dark and dusty. Wooden stairs spiraled up to the top. They climbed slowly, their footsteps echoing. At the top, they found a large clock face. Behind it, on the floor, lay a small wooden box. Emma opened it carefully. Inside was another letter. The final clue is where memories sleep and hearts remember. Go to the place where the town rests. Emma whispered, "The cemetery." Liam nodded seriously. Yes, this is the last clue. Chapter 8. The Final Secret. The sun was setting when Emma and Liam reached the cemetery. It was quiet, with rows of old stones. Birds sang softly in the trees. They walked carefully, reading the stones. Then Emma noticed one grave with a symbol that looked like the same ribbon from the first box. Next to the stone, half buried in the ground, was a small chest. Together, they pulled it out. Emma's hands shook as she opened it. Inside was not gold, not jewels, but a collection of letters and journals. The first page said, "This is the history of Greenhill." These letters hold the stories of people who lived here, their dreams, their struggles, their friendships. This is the true treasure, memory, wisdom, and love passed from one generation to another. Emma's eyes filled with tears. She whispered, "It's not money, it's something greater." Liam smiled. Yes, these stories are priceless. They are the heart of Greenhill. Chapter 9. A New Beginning. Emma and Liam decided to share the letters with the town. They gave them to the library where everyone could read them. People came, read the old stories, and remembered their ancestors. The town felt more alive, more connected. Emma learned something important. Adventure is not always about gold or treasure. Sometimes, the greatest treasure is history, memory, and friendship. And from that day, Emma and Liam knew that their small town held big secrets, and many more adventures were waiting for them. Thank you for listening to The Secret Letter on Learn English Zone. We hope you enjoyed this story and learned new words in English. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy English stories. Share this video with your friends who are learning English too. See you in the next story.